Should you have any questions pertaining to any of the content covered in this presentation, please contact the benefits team. Rochester Regional offers two types of pre-tax flexible spending accounts, or FSAs, to help with your out-of-pocket expenses for healthcare and childcare. If you regularly pay out-of-pocket healthcare and/or childcare expenses, these accounts can help you achieve significant savings by paying for eligible expenses with pre-tax dollars deducted from your paycheck. There are two types of flexible spending accounts. A healthcare FSA can be used for eligible healthcare expenses incurred by you or your dependents. A childcare FSA can be used to pay for expenses to care for a child so you can work. Refer to IRS Publication 502 for a full list of eligible expenses. Per IRS rules, if you are enrolled in an FSA, you cannot make contributions to an HSA. So if you enroll in the Consumer-Driven Health Plan with the Health Savings Account, you cannot also participate in Healthcare FSA. This restriction also applies to your spouse. If your spouse is covered on your CDHP and you've enrolled in an HSA, your spouse cannot participate in his or her employer's Healthcare FSA. You can contribute up to $5,000 annually to your child care FSA or up to $2,500 if you're married and filing taxes separately. Per IRS regulations, highly compensated employees may be limited to the amount they can contribute to the child care FSA. You'll be notified if your annual child care FSA election needs to be reduced as a result of IRS non-discrimination testing. Under current tax law, qualified child care expenses you pay on an after-tax basis may qualify as a credit on your federal income tax return. Depending on your circumstances, either claiming the expenses on your tax return or using a child care FSA will result in greater tax savings. To help determine which method may be the most beneficial to you, consult a tax professional. A child care FSA is used for daycare expenses you incur while you, or if married, you and your spouse, work outside the home or attend school full-time. Eligible child care expenses include care at a licensed nursery school or daycare center, before and after school programs or summer day camp for children under age 13, and daycare for an elderly or disabled adult who is your tax dependent. If you enroll in the healthcare or child care FSA, Lifetime Benefit Solutions, our FSA administrator, will send you 2 debit cards for an easy and convenient way to pay for healthcare and child care expenses. Be sure to keep your receipts in case you need to prove a purchase was an eligible expense. You may also request reimbursement of your eligible expenses online at lifetimebenefitsolutions.com or by submitting a reimbursement form to Lifetime Benefit Solutions. Reimbursements can be direct deposited into your bank account or mailed to your home. Flexible spending accounts are known as use it or lose it plans, which means if you do not use the money you've set aside for eligible expenses, you will forfeit it. Be sure to carefully estimate your expenses. You may not change your election during the year unless you experience a qualifying life event. For each calendar year, claims must be incurred between January 1st and December 31st of that year to be eligible for reimbursement. There are several resources available to help you make informed enrollment decisions. First, be sure to carefully read through the Benefits Decision Guide located on myrockhealth.com/benefits. You also have access to a virtual benefits counselor called Alex. Alex can help you with decisions on medical, dental, vision, and flexible spending account benefits. Alex is a smart, friendly benefits expert that can walk you through your options using simple language without all the benefits jargon. Alex starts the conversation with some basic questions about you and your family and your personal situation, all confidential, of course. Based on your answers, Alex helps you evaluate your options by showing helpful cost and coverage comparisons. The chat is surprisingly easy and takes only a few minutes. Plus, it will give you peace of mind knowing you made the right choices. Alex is available on any computer with internet access, so you can use it at home with your family. If you have questions about the benefits options or need help enrolling, contact the Benefits Department. You'll also find additional plan reference information on our employee web portal, myrockhealth.com. Enrolling in your benefits is one of your most important tasks as a new employee. You'll need to make your elections in Workday, our online benefit enrollment system, using your Rochester Regional credentials. You can access Workday from myrockhealth.com/benefits. When you log into Workday, go to your inbox located in the upper right-hand corner. Look for your new hire event to enroll. Refer to the Knowledge Builders for step-by-step enrollment instructions. If you're having difficulty logging into Workday, contact the help desk. You have up to 30 days from your hire date to complete your enrollment, but we encourage you to enroll as soon as possible. Please be aware that if you don't enroll within 30 days, you will have no coverage for most benefits. If you are not electing benefits, log in to Workday to waive your options. If you are eligible for the life and accidental death and dismemberment coverage provided by Rochester Regional, be sure to enter beneficiary information for these benefits in Workday. Thank you for viewing this presentation.